Hey, what's up guys, JP here, bringing you another video this weekend. And this weekend I am going to be unboxing meat grinder. Okay, been wanting to get me a meat grinder for a while. Not sure how good this one is, or heck, I never had a meat grinder. You know, the vague memories that I have of when I was a child of a meat grinder. My parents, or I think my grandparents, they had a tabletop one, and it had a clamp, and it clamped onto the edge of the table, and it was a hand crank, and you would put the meat on the top, and you would crank it, and out came out the ground meat that, you know, people were grinding up. But with today's technology, we got electric ones now. Okay, if I ever run into one of them hand crank ones, you know, at a garage sale, or, you know, a little, you know, antique type store, you know, I think I would get me one just, you know, for memorabilia, you know, just to see, you know, just to have one, you know, because it's always nice to remember things from your childhood, especially when you visited your grandparents' house. You know, that was always pretty cool. But, you know, besides that, I'm going to unbox this bad boy, see what it all comes with. You know, the other thing I want to do with it is I want to try to get into making my own sausage, because I have a hunting channel also, and I go to Texas, and I like to go hog hunting, and I usually get my my hogs processed over there at this place called J.M. I think, processing. You know, and the guy's name is Jimmy, and I'm gonna tell you, he does a great job. He does an excellent job. He knows how to make sausage. He knows how to process that wild game food, and he does a really good job. You know, I've brought plenty of it home with me here to Florida, and I shared it with my friends. And, you know, the guy knows what he's doing. He makes this really good jalapeno and cheddar sausage that it is, it's good. Okay, but I gotta go to Texas and get it. Okay, and I think there in Florida there's places that will process meat for you. But anyway, you know, I'm gonna try to see if I can make my own, and I'm gonna start off by unboxing this and seeing what it all comes with. And I'm gonna grind up some meat, and I'm gonna make another video, and I'm gonna make some hamburgers tomorrow. Okay, but besides that, you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you what we got. Alright, I'm going to take out my Weber knife, one of my favorite knives. I'm sorry, not Weber, this is a Kershaw knife. Okay, Kershaw makes really good knives, American-made knives, camo. Might be real tree, I'm not sure what kind of camo it is, but still, you know, really good knife. Open this box up. And let's see what all it comes with. All right, well, it's got some, I guess this is the warranty and maintenance, warranty registration. Looks like meat grinding die. I'm not sure what that is. All right. Got some styrofoam, put that over here. Here we go. That looks familiar. I've seen that somewhere before. I think this was to maybe push the meat down, and it sounds like it got something inside of it. We'll see. Oh yeah, here we go. That looks heavy duty. That's feels like stainless steel. Okay, could be die-cast aluminum, but I'm thinking it's stainless steel. All right, so put that over here to the side. Pan. And the motor, and I think that's it. Yep. Okay, this is a LEM game processing countertop grinder compact design, maximum torque. Says it's got a 0.77 horsepower, designed for regular use. Okay, hopefully I'm regular. We'll see. I'm thinking this thing is showing it's got more stuff that it comes with. Includes, they're calling that the meat stomper. Stainless steel grinder plates. And, oh, I'm thinking the rest of it is in here. Okay, let me open this up. Yep, there it is. Okay, there's the blade. I don't want to probably break that, but that's another grinder plate. And there's the blade. Okay, and I guess this is the auger. Okay, so, and that's it. That's all it comes with. Okay, we got the main body unit. You know, it's light, not heavy. And the meat stomper, I'm curious to see what's inside. I gotta open this up because that's gonna drive me nuts. We gotta see. Okay. Oh, I think this is the sausage tube. That sounds funny when you say it. Okay, but yeah, I'm sorry, not sausage tube. They call it the stuffing tube. Okay, you would put your casing here on this side, and you know, start stuffing sausage. You know, to make, or start stuffing the tube to make sausage. All right, we'll see what happens. And not sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. May have to watch a YouTube video. All right. Well, that's it. Let me put this bad boy together and read the instructions and see if we can grind some meat up today. Okay, let me bring you back down here so you guys can see. All right, there's that. And nope, I don't think that goes. Yeah, it gotta go like that because that goes this way. So oh, there it is, going the wrong way. And that goes in there. And I'm thinking the blade goes first. And then they're not called dies, these are called the grinder plates or whatever they call it. Let me see real quick. They call it stainless steel grinder plates. Okay, and it's got a little notch right there, lines up with this part of the mechanism, and boom. There it is. All right, cool. And I guess you want to take it off, clean it up, we'll put it back in. There it is. And I guess if you wanted different size to grind your meat, you know, you would use this one. Okay, so it comes with two different sizes. Let me show them to you real quick. This is the one that's inside of it that comes assembled, and then they give you this other one. They're two different sizes. I'm not sure. I guess if you want a finer meat, finer grind, you use this one. Not so fine, you use this one. Okay, but I'm gonna have to read the instructions to see what all that's about. I'm just putting it together. And gonna use it in just a little bit. Oh, might as well put the pan on top. there it is. Okay. Put your meat in there. Push it down in there, and I guess the meat comes out through here. So that wasn't too bad to put together. That was pretty easy. But